In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock rows in Smartsheet. Locking a row is a simple way to protect important data on your project sheet, keeping key details, formulas, or schedules safe from accidental changes. This is especially helpful when multiple teammates are collaborating, and you want to make sure certain information stays consistent. Start by opening your project sheet and locating the specific row you want to protect. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct row, especially if it contains critical milestones, budget figures, or approved plans. When you're ready, move your cursor over that row. Hovering helps you target it precisely so you don't lock the wrong one. Now, right-click anywhere on that row. If you're using a trackpad, a two-finger click usually opens the same context menu, and on some devices, you can also use a keyboard and click combination to bring it up. When the small menu appears, look for the option labeled Lock Row and select it. That's all it takes. The lock applies immediately. After you lock the row, you may notice a small visual indicator, like a lock symbol or a change in how the row behaves. The key thing to know is that collaborators without the necessary permissions will no longer be able to edit the cells in that row. This helps prevent unintended edits while still allowing the rest of the sheet to function normally. If you don't see the lock row option in the menu, that typically means your permission level on the sheet doesn't include the ability to lock rows. In most setups, only the sheet owner or users with admin level permissions can lock or unlock content. In that case, coordinate with the person who manages the sheet to apply the lock for you, and make sure everyone on the team understands which rows are protected and why. A quick best practice is to lock rows that represent finalized decisions or references others depend on, such as confirmed timelines or baseline numbers. Keep your notes and context up to date in adjacent columns or the row's comments so collaborators still understand what they're looking at, even if they can't edit the locked cells. To recap the process, hover over the target row, right-click to open the menu, and choose Lock Row. It's fast, it's clear, and it helps maintain data integrity across your project. With this simple action, you add a lightweight safeguard that keeps your sheet accurate and your workflow smooth.